pharmaceutical company.
Oh, Jesus.
Writing poetry for them.
Look, I told you about this in confidence, and I hoped. No, I mean, since this show is about work.
Yes.
Well, we all know that actors don't always get work, right? And they're actors.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but yes, other actors, yes.
Actors go through periods of, dry spells where they don't have an income, and they have to find other creative ways to make a living. Excuse me. That got her. The belch. I don't know why.
I was feeling guilty before because I wanted poor Josh to sing a cappella, and now I don't feel guilty anymore because you burped on stage. This is all good. You wiped the slate clean.
So my Nana's daughter, my god sister Judy, works for she does industrials, And so she said you could write the script, but we want it to be poems for this pharmaceutical company, for this industrial.
What pharmaceutical company is it?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay.
Let's just say I don't remember. And they have these new drugs coming out, and then they want people to come out and talk about them, but they don't want to be boring. They don't want to be like...
So they thought of poetry?
Saying a lot will keep you from killing yourself. They want it to be exciting for the people who sell their drugs, their sales reps, right? It's a world I know nothing about.
Can we have a taste of some of the beautiful poetry? Some of the Emily Dickinson poetry?
It's bad poetry. It's not good.
No one was assuming that a pharmaceutical company was securing good poetry, so don't worry about that part.
They're really bad and long.
So maybe just one. I think we can tolerate one.
Son of a bitch.
You guys, let's give her a hand beforehand because I'm very, very grateful to her for doing this.
No, you guys, I can't read this. It's so bad. It's not... First of all, I just want to preface this by saying I'm not a poet. I don't write poetry. I don't know anything about poetry. I hate poetry. This is advertising. Fuck, shut up. It starts so badly that I can't...
All right, let's get to it.
Fuck. Passion. Fuck. Oh. And so. That's how it starts. And so. You can tell already. Who are you? Fuck.
Wait, did it really say fucking?
This takes a lot of balls, okay, Katie? Who are you? My heart is a locomotive and I am the fire. Who are you? My mind is a thoroughbred and I am the muscle. Who are you? My stole is a star and I am the light. I am passion, the victory of man. Oh my God, it's so bad. I am passion, the power of one. It's an ad. I am passion, the vision of many. I am passion, the force of change. There's more. Driven by fire. I hurtle towards greatness. See, I have no shame. I have no pride. I'm just like you. Powered by muscle, I race for hope. Shining with belief, I light my own way. By a tectonic shift, In the way things are to the way things can be. The promise of the future. Believing in ourselves, we overcome. While more timid souls sleep, we move the magic of healing. We are the selling force for change. And the body of the world is ours to remake. Woo!